Hello everyone. We will continue with the first last topic of the first unit of basics of JavaScript programming. So last topic is querying and handling properties. So this is one of the important features in JavaScript, that is interactivity with the user. So in this video, we'll learn three types of pop-up boxes which are used in JavaScript in order to interact with the browser. So there are three type of pop-up boxes. First one is alert box, second one is prompt box, and third one is confirm box. Okay. So first we'll start with the alert box. See, for example, if you want to display certain message on the browser, you will use alert box. Next is the confirm box. If you want to ask about the confirmation of any message, then you use confirm box. It basically consists of two buttons, that is OK button and cancel button. Confirm box will specifically ask any question. So if you are okay with the question, you can press on OK button, or else you can press the cancel button. Next is the prompt box. Prompt box basically asks user to enter something. That is, it takes the input from the user. That is, for example, if you want user to enter something at runtime, then you use prompt box. You can ask user to enter something, and it will have two buttons, that is OK button and cancel button. Okay, so in the next slide, we'll have an example which will discuss all the three boxes, which will cover all the three boxes, that is alert box for displaying a message, confirm box for asking confirmation question, and the prompt box which asks user to enter something. Okay. Okay. So this is the next slide. Here we have the code for all the three boxes. Let's start from the first line. First is doc type HTML, then your HTML tag, then the head tag, then inside the title tag, we'll give the title as introduction to pop-up box, then close the title tag, then close the head tag, open the body tag, and P stands for paragraph tag where you are writing something inside the paragraph. So here we have written experiment with the pop-up boxes by clicking the button OK and cancel on them. Then close the P tag, that is paragraph tag. Then open the script tag. So first line is if confirm, do you agree? If you want to display a confirm box, you are using the keyword confirm. So if confirm, do you agree will give you a confirm box. Okay. So if you press on, it will have two buttons, that is OK and cancel button. If you press on OK button, it will display an alert, that is the next line, you have agreed. Else, if you click on the cancel button, it will display a prompt box where input text is equal to prompt, enter some string here. So prompt box will ask you to enter some string, okay, and then alert hi plus input text. That is, whatever you enter in your prompt box will be alerted on the screen. That is, which will be again the alert box will be displayed, and it will display hi as well as whatever string you have entered in the alert box. Okay, then close the script tag, close body tag, and close HTML tag. I hope the code is clear to you all. We'll move on to the output of this code. We'll see how this confirm box, prompt, and alert boxes display. Okay. Okay. So first experiment, whatever we have written in p tag is displayed. That is, experiment with pop-up boxes by clicking the button OK and cancel on them. Then the confirm box will be displayed, which will ask, do you agree? Okay, it will have two buttons, OK and cancel. So now if you press on OK button, you will get an alert box. which will say I agree. I have agreed. So let's see the, if you click on OK button, see if you click on OK button, this alert box will be displayed, which will say you have agreed. Okay, so this is your alert box. Now if you click on cancel button, see here if you click on cancel button, then this prompt box will be appeared. So if you click on this cancel button, prompt box will be appear, which will ask you to enter some string over here. So now I have entered the string Anuradha, and if I click on OK, it will display in alert box, hi Anuradha. So let's see the next slide. See, after clicking on the button OK, we'll get this alert box. It will say hi Anuradha. Anuradha is the string that we have entered in the prompt box. Okay. So thus this alert confirm and prompt boxes causes the browser to wait for user response, and accordingly it displays the output. So this was the last topic of our first chapter. So if you have any doubts related to the first chapter, we'll discuss it in the next online session, which will be on the Friday. Okay, thank you.